Some of the girls feel like automatically I have an advantage over them because I'm awesome and, you know, I totally have it going on.
Good morning, y'all. It is morning, and I'm not really a morning person. Once I'm up. But I had this idea of this video, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just give it to them straight out the bed. You know, like my shirt speaks volumes. It says being awake is overrated. Because it is. I literally just woke up. Like, I have not gone to the bathroom yet as far as washing my face and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to give you guys my day-to-day makeup tutorial. I did a tutorial previously, but I felt like I missed some steps. It's a good video, but I felt like I missed some steps in it. And I said, since I have my lashes done, I might as well move forward with a video. So I'm gonna see you guys when I get back from washing my face. I'm actually gonna do a video about my skincare. My skin is doing better. Since you guys, for somebody that might want to see that, but I'm about to go wash my face and everything so y'all can kind of see how my mornings are not really mornings, but how my makeup is done in the morning and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye. What's good, Fraanse Fam? So today I'm going to actually walk you through my morning makeup routine. I actually washed my face and everything. I actually attempted to record a video of me doing my routine before makeup, and I didn't get to capture everything because my camera cut off. So I know you're probably like, what is that on your face? So these are the Spa Scriptions Cucumber Hydrogel Under Eye Pads. These are good to have so it only comes with 4 pairs. I got these from TJ Maxx. You could really pick these up in person. I like these because they're very moist in the packet. So this is how a packet looks. And there's stuff in the inside that keeps it moist and everything. And if you put it under your eyes, it's supposed to help with puffiness and what else? Puffiness and you're supposed to leave it on, I think, for about 15 minutes. And these were only $4 at TJ Maxx, and it's really a steal. I like the cucumber ones because I used to put cucumbers under my eye. I don't really have a lot of puffiness because I usually sleep with a sleeping mask over my eyes. But I haven't been able to since I've been getting lash extensions. And so yeah, so you leave these on about 15 minutes. They're eye therapy. They're supposed to really help. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into my routine, my makeup routine. I did a video recently, but it didn't really capture all of the stuff I do in my makeup. So I was just kind of not really satisfied with it. So I was like, we're gonna do another one. So here we are. All right, so I usually put my hair up and then I get started. So you can always remove these. I think it's been 15 minutes. I don't really know, but y'all, these things, you see? Okay. So I'm gonna put these over here, and I'm gonna start with I'm actually not gonna talk about it. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button at the top. Also, too, don't forget to hit that notification bell at the bottom of this video. So every time I post a video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't talk as much as I usually do, but I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey, you made it to the end of this video. I have so much more in store for you guys. Make sure to click here or here for the next video, and make sure to subscribe so that you're always in the loop of the next video. Bye.